day another $1. So I've fitted off the panels. They're all glued down. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the SOALR connectors on, the MC4s, and I'll show you how we do that. Right, so I'm just going to strip this fella back. I'm going to go about there. That'll do. Now, what I want to do is trim this probably to about there. Right. And then I'm going to strip about that much off, 15 mil-ish. With your SOALR connectors, you got two types. You've got a male and a female. On the panel, the male is the positive and the female is the negative, right? So what we want to do is opposites on our cable that goes down to our charge controller. So with your SOALR connectors, you got two different pins, two different inners, right? So you got a big one and a little one. The little one goes in the big one like that, right? Now, how I remember it for which one goes in which is big in little, little in big, right? There you go, tip for the day. So what we want to do is, so our male is going to go on the negative, so big in the little. We want to put that on up to there, get our crimpers, and we're just going to crimp. Another tip, push those two little tabs together. Let's crimp. Look at that. Beautiful crimp. Right, so we want to loosen our little ring off. Push them in. Click. Tighten that up. I'll get my proper tool on that in a minute, but that's it. Job done. Nice waterproof connection. So let's do the female. Tug test, nice and tight. Click. Coming out of there. Tighten that up. Beautiful. Nice, tight, secure. Ready to go for the SOALR. Oh, g'day guys. How you going? Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. Just loading up the truck, getting ready to go on a day trip tomorrow out Mount Me. Got a couple of new guys coming out, have a bit of a fun, do some tracks and a bit of an explore. Hopefully you have liked this video, and if you have, make sure you hit that thumbs up because it really helps out the video and the channel. Also, hopefully we've earned your subscription today because it's another way that you can show your support for us and that we know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out, because we're enjoying the content that we're putting out as well. So it's currently 16 degrees in sunny Queensland. Well, it's not sunny at the moment, and it's a little bit nipply. So what I'm going to do is head back inside, get the rest of the stuff for the truck, and remember, the weeks are long, the weekends are short, so get out there and chase the weekend. Gotcha.